看我现在这样大包小包的，要出发去雪梨国际机场。我们晚点要飞巴厘岛，等着见。
Make it flat and the tag should be on this side.
Okay. You gave me two.
The passport.
This one.
I need your passport.
Passport. 放完冲浪板了，我准备来去找我朋友。我现在在澳航的贵宾室，我在等我朋友出来接我，好兴奋啊 ！Fuck yeah! Good. I'm so excited.
Yeah, no,
I gotta make a video.
yeah, hell yeah.
Excited. Jamie. Jeff, nice to meet you.
How are you?
Good. I'm so excited. What are you getting?
We'll have a look at the other side. Alright, because I did. What is it?
I'll try this.
Hi everyone, SC across the
I'm innocent. Thanks, man. 劝各位来巴厘岛的时候用电子签证，要不然排队会排到死掉。对，我朋友他们现在卡在里面。First beer. Oh, that's alright. Cheers. First beer.
Another shot of whiskey drowns my breath.
巴厘岛的第一个早晨，我想要来去Canggu Beach， 早起的鸟儿有虫吃，早起的浪人有浪冲。Let's go！ 巴厘岛的海摸起来感觉就是不一样。终于游出来了，巴厘岛海面超平静。
How are you?
Hey, good. Wow.
Wow, we were.
What are you doing? Are you
Being at the
working?
castle.
Fuck, how high is it? Is it? Ah. Woo.
The drone just was connected.
Wait, I'm trying to explain all these rules you break.
Thank you.
What's your first thing?
That's fucking sick. Is that Jamie's?
Yeah, that's Jamie's.
That's what we got now.
I think that's maybe yours. Chicken satay.
Mine.
Let's see.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
mine.
that looks good.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's start having it.
Thank you. I don't know where my phone's gone.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, Jamie, go!
You don't want to pop?
Hey, sweetheart.
That looks good.
I'm not expecting this. It's gonna be really spicy. Looking at how much chili is on this. Like,
Wait, it's all gonna be okay.
Once you find the break.
I just want to do it. After that night with the lights, I was like, okay, that's enough weird shit that's happened.
My dad's Jimmy John. Jimmy John. Jimmy John. Jimmy John.
Are you eating now?
We got nicknames.
Yeah, no, we didn't.
That sounds really dumb. But like fishes to sugar plants.
Yeah.
How's it?
It's so good. Should be supposed to be thin, right?
Yo, what's up? What's up? How's the trip?
So sick. Oh, it's been chilling.
Yeah.
Place.
Wow, look at your board. Look at your new board. Oh, shit. Have you surfed it yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, that's gonna be the first time.
Yeah.
Sick.
We're going to Uluwatu.
Good.
How good is this?
How's it, Kuda?
Oh, yeah, Kuda.
Yeah, it's alright.
这是我在乌鲁瓦图的房间。
This is fucked.
Wow, the kitchen is good. Let's make some food.
Yeah.
Hello. Show your name.
Pardon?
Show your name. Don't do it.
Yeah. Yeah, you want people to be nice, and you do that. When people aren't nice, you don't be an asshole back. Yeah. Okay. Just don't always go right. Yeah, right.
Yo, mas.
Let's go up.
Let's get a shot.
No, mate, we can't get shots yet.
Wow.
I used to actually have a really good one on. I just wear it.
Camera's off, man.
Yeah. What happened to your hands?
So, I put my home at a taxi driver. I said, come on, man, you almost killed us.
Yeah, what the fuck you doing?
What the fuck you doing?
Yeah.
And then these local guys ran after me. I stopped because I wanted to have a chat. And then this guy just started throwing punches. But I was dodging. Like, I didn't hit. She was Ali, like Ali. It was so weird. It was like a fucking dream. You know, in a dream, you hit someone, but it's like you're underwater. Yeah, so weird. That's what the guy was doing. He was like this.
We actually had that in
It happened.
in Italy. We got asked by like a group of 40 people, and when there's 40 people, it's too many. So they're kicking each other, and it's like
It's free for all.
yeah, exactly. And then they start.
It was a free for all.
How you get out of the situation?
By talking, man. Talking those wonders.
I want.
She was saying, please stop.
Calm down.
So
Yeah.
you stopped again.
Of course. It's always the girl.
It's always the blonde girl. It's always the blonde girl.
And we wake up.
She was
It's
meditating.
always burning her. Yeah.
There's a burn wound. There's a burn wound. She was meditating. We didn't talk.
You got
next
lucky. You doesn't have anything on your face or something.
Sure.
It's like.
That was a sick story.
Mark, that's really bright.
Oh, yeah, but that's weather.
Oh my god.
Like a video.
It's a video. I got a lot. I got a lot of video. I'm Mars.
Is that Mars up?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice one.
Oh shit.